couple years since I've seen your face. Wonder what you're up to now. Yeah, my head is still up in space. I guess I never came down. I can tell you that I've changed a bit though, not too much since then. We were always rebellious kids. Do you remember when we were riding through the night? Moon was on our side. Once upon a time, once upon a time, as high as the sun's in the sky, crossing all lines. Once upon a time, once upon a time. The promises we used to make back then. Can you tell me are they still on? As I still have me to thank. Yes, I found separate us. I think of you now and then. Won't let the memories fade to dust. Baby, remember when we were riding through the night? Moon was on our side. Once upon a time, once upon a time, sun's in the sky, crossing all lines. Once upon a time, once upon a time.
It's so nice. It's quite big as well. It's a big car. The seats are absolutely gorgeous. They're so comfortable. The layout as well, like the virtual cockpit. And like the heads-up display, the leather steering wheel, the leather. It's just, I love it. It is stunning. It's nice. Do you like it?